Dear classmates, I don't think I will ever forget you all. The way we laughed for no reason, smiled together and made boring days feel lighter. These memories feel real and heavy in my chest right now. This standard was not just a class, it felt like a small world of our own. Thank you for the moments, the jokes, the chaos and the comfort. No matter where life takes us, this part of my life will always matter to me.
दिनैनि बे बुब्लियाव आंनि गोसोआव गोबां मोनदांस'हायै इमोशनजों उसिफावदों। गोसोआव गोबां रंजानाय मोनदों मानोना जों जोंनि जिउनि मोनसे गिबि थांखि एबा जिउनि मोनसे गोदान स्टेपखौ जों बारजेनसिगोन आरो गोसोआव गोबां दुखु मोनदों मानोना जों जोंनि बे जिउनि अराय नेरसोनथिजों बुंफबनानै थानाय जोंनि मोनसे रंजाथाव जायगाखौ जों नागारना थांसिगोन।
जोंनि बे निकेतना जोंनि थाखाय एंगारहायै गियाननि थानसालि। जोंनि फोरोंगिरिफ्रा जोंखौ उन्दैनिफ्रायनो अननायजों गोबां गियान आरो रोंगौथि होबाय। जों बे निकेतनखौ नागारगोनब्लाबो जोंनि मोजां मोननाय आरो जोंनो अननाय आरो गियान होनायखौ जों माब्लाबाबो बावनानै थांनाय नङा।
मैं यहाँ पे बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आचार्य ने जो हमको प्यार दिया वो प्यार हम कभी वापस चुका नहीं पाओगे। मैं अपने आचार्य को धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि उन लोगों ने हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ किया।
I am very delighted standing in this Niketan. I think the moments I spent this Niketan are the best memory of my life.
forget कि उन लोगों ने हमको हर सिचुएशन में हेल्प किया, मोटिवेशन किया। I'll never forget मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट और प्यार दिया। This is amazing memory.
Studying in this Niketan was amazing moment. Personally, I enjoyed very much.
'Cause there is something and there is nothing in between, and in my eyes there is a tiny dancer watching over me. Is singing, she's a lady, and I am just a boy. Is singing, she's a lady, and I am just alone with her. And in my eyes there is a tiny dancer watching over me. Is singing, she's a lady, and I am just a boy. Is singing, she's a lady, and I am just alone without her.
नोंसोरनो जोंनि लामा दिन्थिगिरि दिन्थियो जोंनि थांखि जेराव नोंसोरसो जोंनि साहस बादि थुलुंगा होयो जेराव सौसिलांनो गासैबो जेंना।
गोसोखांथिजों बुंफबनाय जोंनि बे थानसालि मा मावदोंमोन मा मावाखैमोन उन्दै समनि गोसोजों दसेनो रंजानाय दसेनो बोराबनाय जोबनो गैयै ओंथि गोनां गोसोनि बावनो हायै नेरसोन।
मोनफ्रोम मोमेन्टआ बे निकेतनाव मोनसे गोसोखांथिमोन। Personally, I enjoy a lot in every moment. My love and respect of Niketan will stay forever.
We came here when we were children and understood nothing. But we are going to live grown up and with perfect knowledge. We are going to live with countless memories.
आं बाथौ विद्या निकेतन फरायसालियाव फरायनानै जोबोद मोजां मोनदों। आं बे फरायसालियाव साबसिन हारिमुखौ मोजां मोनो।
गोथार थानसालि जोंनि जेराव गसंना नुदों जों जोंनि थांखि। गाबफैदोंमोन दरखौ मोखां सोरगिदिं नायदोंमोन जेब्ला नुदोंमोन आं जिउनि थांखि आंनि बे गोथार थानसालि।
अगर मैं रुक गई अभी तो जा ना पाऊंगी कभी। यही कहो कि तुम सदा के दिल
Studying in this Niketan is an essential part of my life because I had got uncountable opportunities to learn so many things in my life. Today, with this Niketan, with my dear friends, friendly juniors and teachers, I'm going to be separated. Even though I'll always remember conversation, enjoyment, and various things I had with them. I would like to give a special thanks to teachers who helped me in every moment to become the best and guide me to avoid the negative part of life with confidence.
आं आंनि फोरोंगिरिफोरखौ आं साबायखर बावो मानोना गावसोरनि मेंनाय बानाय उखैनायखौ आन्दोआव दोनखोमानानैब्लाबो जोंनो गोबां जोबनो गैयै फुंखाखौ होदों मेलेमारि नोजोरखौ गुवार खालामनानै होदों.
Thank you so much all my teachers for your love, care, guide and everything.
Then best of luck to all my friends for your future.